We're doing pizza again, and yes, it's sourdough. I already made a cheese pizza, and I've got pepperoni cooking up. But today, what's special is mushroom. I'm using the Trader Joe's mushroom medley, as well as bacon. I'll probably add some onion. And this is a white sauce pizza. I'm gonna show you why so many people like white sauce pizza better than red sauce. I like the red sauce, but the white sauce is so good. I'm gonna cook this outside though and do the bechamel afterwards. It's all good. There we go. Alright, so the mushrooms and the bacon are done, as well as the caramelized onions. Now I'm making the white sauce. It's just a simple bechamel that's almost done. That'll be mixing in plenty of Parmesan and white pepper, and then that'll be the base. The pizza's in the oven, 500 degrees, 12 minutes. I always have extra bechamel. This is great on top of eggs, on top of toast. Mix it in with some pasta. Make an Alfredo. I'm telling you, with some toast. Bomb. Parmesan heaven right there. It is done. So what I did, I didn't show you guys, but I sprinkled on some cheese last minute, and then I broiled the top for about 2 or 3 minutes. You gotta really pay attention. But this is the white sauce mushroom pizza. mushroom lovers, right here. Right here.
Wow.
Was it worth the wait? Mm-hmm. Almost midnight. Let me know what flavor pizza I should make next. I hope you try this. Heavenly.